and welcome to this new academic year. This is the first interaction with one another, and that too in a new way. I hope we will be successful. This year, I will be helping you to understand mathematics. I want all of you to have a separate notebook for mathematics. I'll be giving you some homework. Please complete it on that particular day itself. Okay? Before we start, let me inform you that in your class timetable, Monday and Thursday, there will be 2 slots for mathematics. I will not be coming online in Zoom to interact with you. I will be recording the videos and sending the link to you for YouTube. So you download it, watch it, practice it. After we cover certain topics, I will come live in Zoom and there I can clear your doubts. So whatever doubt you have, you keep it. I will give you an opportunity to clarify it. That will be informed to you later. Okay? So let's start. We shall start with the second chapter. The first chapter is some construction and I want you to have in front of me to help you to construct. And that is not possible now. So we will start with the second chapter. The second chapter is multiplication and division of integers. What are integers? Before integers, you should remember what are natural numbers, what are whole numbers. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3 onwards. Whole numbers also include 0 in that is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Then what are integers? Integers include positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. All those numbers like -5, -10, -4, all these, +0, 1, 2, 3, all these numbers come under integers. So we are going to learn multiplication and division of integers. So what happened to addition and subtraction? That you had already learned in 6th standard, but we shall just revise it. Now open your last page of your notebook. Put 1 in the margin. Then please write it what I am saying. In addition and subtraction, if the signs are same, add the numbers, put the sign of the greater number. If the signs are different, subtract the numbers, put the sign of the greater number. I repeat, in addition and subtraction, if the signs are same, add the numbers, put the sign of the greater number. If the signs are different, subtract the numbers, put the sign of the greater number. I want you to learn it by heart before we do sums on addition and subtraction. Please learn it by heart, then you proceed with the next part of it. Is that clear? Now let us see how it works. Suppose I have a question, -10 plus 5. How do I calculate it? If the signs are different, you can see the signs different. This is minus, this is plus. If the signs are different, subtract the numbers. When you subtract, write the difference between the numbers 10 and 5. What is the difference over there? 5. Subtract the number, put the sign of the greater number. What is the sign of the greater number? Minus. So put that as minus. That's it. Let's see the second one. 10 plus 5. I know you already know the answer, but let's look at it. If the signs are same, here no sign is put. When there is no sign, what does that mean? The number is a positive number. I mean this also plus, this also plus. If the signs are same, add the numbers. 10 plus 5, 15. Put the sign of the greater number. What is the sign of the greater number? Plus. When it is plus, we usually don't put the sign. Okay? So our answer is 15. Let us look at the third question. Suppose I have -10 minus 5. If the signs are same, you can see this is minus, this is minus. So if the signs are same, add the numbers. 10 plus 5, what do you get? 15. Put the sign of the greater number. What is the sign of the greater number? Minus. So you put this as minus. Is that clear to you? The next one, question number 4. In your textbook, you will see examples like this. Minus 8 plus minus 4. Now, when you have a bracket given, first of all, why did they put a bracket over there? Because they are mentioning two operations over there. To separate two operations, they are using a bracket. This is plus and this is minus. This operation indicates this is a multiplication. Okay? If this is plus and this is minus, you open the bracket first. So plus and minus gives you minus. So you have minus 8 plus, this is a multiplication, so plus into minus, minus 4. Now what do you see over here? If the signs are same, add the numbers. 8 plus 4, 12. Put the sign of the greater number. What is the sign of the greater number? Minus. So you have minus 12. Is that clear to you? I just want to ask you one thing. Now, you know that 10 plus 5 gives you 50, isn't it? Now, suppose this is not given to you. You are told that 10 plus dash gives you 50. You have to fill this number over here. How do you fill this number over here? Now, you know that in addition and subtraction, if the signs are same, we add the number and put the sign of the greater number. This is 50. That means this is bigger than this number. That means you are adding something over here. And if you are adding, that has to be a positive number. So how much more you should add over here to get 50? That number is 5. Suppose you have minus 10 plus dash gives you 50. Now how will you find out which number is over here? Look at the sign of the answer, positive. Here it is minus, here it is plus. So if it has to be positive, these two signs are different. So we are putting the sign of the greater number. So this number should be greater. And how much greater to get 15? So this should be 25 greater. Now you see, check and see whether the answer is correct. If the signs are different, put the sign of the greater number. What is the sign of the greater number? Plus. Write subtract the numbers and what do you get over here? 50. Is that clear to you? In the second chapter of your textbook, in the first part, there are two activities given to you. One to fill in the blanks and second to complete the answers of like this. So I want you to solve it in your notebook. Plus I am giving you some homework. Please do it by yourself. Is that clear here? Please copy that homework. This is the homework for you. The first question, minus 8 plus 4. Second, 10 plus in the bracket minus 5. Third, minus 9 plus in the bracket minus 6. Fourth one, 15 minus in the bracket plus 4. 5 minus 16 plus in the bracket minus 10. What you should do when you have a bracket? This means it is a multiplication. Multiply this sign and this sign. If the signs are different, what is the answer? It will become minus. The signs are different, it will be minus. Signs are different, it will be minus. It will be minus. Okay? So all the best. Please complete this homework and we shall see in the next class. Okay?